Hi, I am Dr. Yatish. I'm a cornea transplant surgeon here in Narayana Nethralaya, Bangalore. I'm going to tell you about how the process and the procedure of eye donation happens. Initially, we get a eye call, what we call as a call from the relatives of the deceased or a dead person, saying that they want to donate the eyes. So once the call reaches our hospital here, then a team of persons, including a doctor and an assistant, leaves a hospital in our hospital van along with all the necessary equipments to get the eyes. So they go to the area where, or the house or mortuary or the hospital, wherever the body is. They go there and they first confirm from the relatives whether they are willing to donate the eyes. Only on getting the permission to collect the eyes, we go ahead and do a minor surgery and collect both the eyes. And once the eyes are collected, we store it in the necessary medium, and we thank the relatives of the deceased for allowing us to utilize these tissues to process and transplant. Once we thank the relatives, we get the eyes back to the hospital, and upon reaching here in the hospital, these eyes are immediately taken to the eye bank, and here we have the Dr. Rajkumar's eye bank, one of the major eye banks here in the state of Karnataka. And once we get these to the eye bank, here our eye bank manager initially does preliminary processing of these forms which are necessary to be maintained legally. All the details of the donors and their age and the cause of their death, everything is noted, and it is suitably stored in the eye bank itself. And then as soon as possible, these eyes are examined by a cornea transplant surgeon, and because the surgeon has to decide as to what the quality of the tissue is, what kind of tissue we've received, how good it is, and to what person we can transplant it. That is decided by the cornea transplant surgeon. Once it is decided as to whom it has to be transplanted to, the person who is waiting in the waiting list for the transplant is contacted and asked to come over to the hospital. And then once that person or the patient comes here to the hospital, the surgery, that is the transplant surgery, is carried out, and we aim to give him better vision than what it was before. Thank you.